subtraction with 2 digit by 1 digit. Grace and Grayson are best friends. One day, both are involved in a serious discussion.
My uncle bought 28 marbles. He gave 5 marbles to my brother. But my brother is hiding the number of marbles he got. Grace, can you help me in finding the number of hidden marbles? Sure, Grayson. It is simple. For this, you just need to subtract. Let us understand all the terms that are used in subtraction. We know that subtraction means to take away one number from the other. The number which is to be subtracted is known as subtrahend. The number from which a number is subtracted is known as minuend. The result of subtraction is known as the difference. Now, to find the number of marbles, let's subtract here. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtract 5 from 28. Let's subtract. Step 1. Arrange the numbers vertically. Step 2. Subtract the ones column. Eight ones minus 5 ones is equal to 3 ones. Step 3. Bring down the number in the tens column. Thus, the difference is 23. Grayson, your brother has hidden 23 marbles. Thanks, Grace. Subtraction really helps in real life too. Let us see another example on subtracting a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. Now, I will give you 9 candies out of 45 which my father bought yesterday. Can you tell me how many candies were left with me? Yes, Grace. We need to do subtraction to find the candies left with you. Let us subtract 9 from 45. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Step 2. Subtract the ones column. Since 9 is greater than 5, borrow 110 from the tens column. 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. 15 minus minus 9 is equal to 6. Step 3. Since 110 is borrowed from the tens column, therefore we are left with 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 tens. Bring down 3 in the tens column. Thus, the difference is 36. Therefore, 36 candies were left with Grace.
Let us recall. Subtraction means to take away one number from the other. The number which is to be subtracted is known as subtrahend. The number from which a number is subtracted is known as minuend. The result of subtraction is known as the difference. 110 and 6 ones is equal to 16 ones. 110 and 3 ones is equal to 13 ones.